Hey guys, what's up? In today's video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your laptop's Wi-Fi card to the craziest connection speed up to 1.7 gigabit per second, which Intel 9260 combo adapter can easily deliver. And as a bonus you also get Bluetooth 5 with significantly increased range and speed compared to Bluetooth 4. It's brand new adapter which costs $17 with free shipping, the link in description below. It comes with 2 screws and installation manual, which is pretty cool. So this is M.2 2230 form factor. In case if your laptop has mini PCI Express card, like this one, then the only option you have is to choose something compatible between these modules, with maximum speed up to 867 megabits per second, and Bluetooth 4, the link's down below. Alright, first of all we have to download drivers, because Windows may not find them offline. Your next step is to figure out how to disassemble your laptop. If you have the same Dell Inspiron, simply remove all the screws and then, according to the service manual, open back cover like this. Here's my Wi-Fi module. It's Intel 3165 combo adapter, which provides speeds up to 400 megabits per second and has Bluetooth 4.2. Next, carefully detach the antennas from the adapter. As you can see, connectors are marked with white and black triangle, indicating where the white and black cables go respectively. Carefully slide new adapter at an angle into the slot and reattach the antennas according to the markings. Finally, screw it down. Okay, let's see if it works. As you can see, Windows can't recognize new adapter and install drivers offline. Alright, first of all I want to install Bluetooth driver and then connect this Dell Bluetooth mouse. Here's my mouse. So, Bluetooth works. And finally, Wi-Fi drivers. This is my old generic router, which offers maximum speed of 150 megabits per second, and we got that speed. My internet is actually 2 times faster than my router. Now let's connect to my new Netgear Nighthawk X6 router. This is 2.4 GHz band, which provides speeds up to 600 megabits per second. And there we have it. Okay, now let's see what we've got on 5 GHz band. 1.3 gigabits per second. I'm very impressed. My local network and internet will be much faster now. I want to point out that the combo card you want to use may not be compatible with your laptop's platform, so try to figure out which one will work for you or ask me in comments below.